Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to enroll TagMango user from Facebook Lead Ads Lead. So I am an online course creator and using Facebook Lead Ads I promote the online courses that I'm selling, and using TagMango I manage all the online courses and the students' data. Here what I want is that as soon as many of the potential students, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ad, I want to create that lead and enroll that lead as a user in my TagMango account. Now doing this manually is very time consuming. So what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build the connection between Facebook Lead Ads and TagMango with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll TagMango user from Facebook Lead Ads Lead. So as a course creator, I am always looking for ways to grow my audience and enroll more students in my course effortlessly. I use Facebook Lead Ads to collect the potential students' details who show interest in the courses that I'm selling. And I use TagMango to manage my course, subscriptions and community engagement. To streamline my process, I have automated the enrollment of students in TagMango whenever a new lead is generated by the student using Facebook Lead Ads. This ensures that every interested students are instantly added to my platform without any manual efforts. And I am going to create this amazing automation between Facebook Lead Ads and TagMango with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Enroll TagMango User from Facebook Lead Ads Lead. Okay, so this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook Lead Ads Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Enroll TagMango User from Facebook Lead Ads Lead, and you can see over here there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook Lead Ads. As whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ads, automatically I want that Pabbly Connect should capture the response of the lead's details. Okay. After selecting the trigger application for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as New Lead Instant. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this Connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on Add New Connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. Now, before clicking on this button that says Connect with Facebook Lead Ads, remember to log into your Facebook account on a new tab beforehand, so that connecting your Facebook Lead Ads to Pabbly Connect will be much easier. As you're logged in, now click on this button right here. As I've done that, you can see I have successfully authorized Facebook Lead Ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. In the page over here, select the page with the help of which you are promoting your Facebook lead ads. So I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page, that is Growth Genius Academy. And I'm promoting my online courses using this page right here. So what I'm going to do is, for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Growth Genius Academy, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form, with the help of which form the leads are going to be generated. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of lead form, you can see right over here. So what I'm going to do is, for the lead gen form, I'm going to select as lead form, okay? After selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. But before click on this button, I want the simple response. So I'm going to toggle the simple response button on, and then I'm going to click on this button right here. As I'm going to do that, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ad is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to generate the test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. And how are we going to generate the test lead? For that, I'm going to open the Meta's lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead, okay? As you're going to open the tool, it is firstly going to ask you to select the page. So select the page with the help of which you are collecting your leads data. So I'm going to select the page over here as Growth Genius Academy. And for the form, select the form with the help of which the lead is going to be generated, and then click on this preview form button right here. So over here you can see this is the form that I've created, with the help of which I'm going to collect my leads details, okay? It is asking for all these details which we are going to fill right now. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as student. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as teststudent55@pablitudes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number right here. For the address over here, I'm going to write it as 123 New Street. For the city over here, I'm going to write it as Indore. For the state over here, I'm going to write it as Madhya Pradesh. For the postal code over here, I'm going to select the country as India first. So this is India, and for the postal code, I'm going to write in a dummy postal code. And for the country over here, I'm going to select it as India, okay? After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. Over here it says your test lead has been sent. As now the test lead is generated, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see the response of the test lead being generated has been captured in our trigger. Let us tally it. First name as test, last name as student, email as teststudent55@pablitudes.com. For the phone number, the mobile number, street address as 123 New Street, city as Indore, state as Madhya Pradesh, postal code, the postal code, country as IN, that is India, and all the other details. As now the response has been captured in our trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. As now the trigger setup is done, my objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want to enroll this lead in my Tag Mango course that I've created. Okay, so I've created multiple courses in which I've created this basic of PHP course in which I'm going to enroll all the leads that are generated using Facebook lead ads. Okay, this is the test course that I've created. So I want to enroll that lead into this course in the name of basics of PHP. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, for that we're going to set up our action step, and for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Tag Mango. And for the action event, I'm going to select as migrate user. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the API key. Using this API key, we are going to build the connection between Tag Mango and Pabbly Connect. And to have the API key, follow the steps given here below on the help desk. Log into your Tag Mango account first. Okay, so this is my Tag Mango account. I'm going to go to the dashboard of my Tag Mango account. And now to connect this account to Pabbly Connect, what we are going to do is, from the left side of the panel, I'm going to go to this automation section right here, and in automation there is an option platform integrations. I'm going to click on this button. Over here you can see it says Pabbly Connect. This is the API key. copy it from here and paste this key over here in this field, okay, and then click on the save button. As you're going to do that, Tag Mango has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for all these details, with the help of which we're going to enroll a user in our Tag Mango account in the course that we have created, okay. So I have created a course over here in the name of, I'm going to go to the course Basics of PHP, and I want to enroll the users in this course right over here, okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up these steps over here. Firstly, it is asking for the user's name. Now, so for the data of this field, what we're going to do is we are going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on it, this was the previous step. As I'm going to click on it, this is the same response that was captured in our previous step, okay? It is asking for the user's name. I want to create this lead as a user. So I'm going to select the data of this lead from my previous response. As I selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I have mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number right here. For the email address, I'm going to map the data of the email address. Now it is asking for the Mango ID. Now to have the Mango ID, we are going to open our Tag Mango account. I'm going to go back to my Tag Mango account. I'm going to go towards the dashboard of my Tag Mango account. Okay, so this is the account right over here. And for the Mango ID, go to the Mangoes over here. After coming to Mangoes, I have created a Mango over here in the name of Basics of PHP. Okay, and this is the ID of this Mango. So I'm going to copy this ID from here, and this is the ID of the course that I've created. And I'm going to paste this Mango ID right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the coupon. So I have created a coupon in my Tag Mango account. So I'm going to open it in marketing, and you can see the coupon section, and this is the coupon that I've created. So I'm going to copy this coupon from here and paste this coupon right over here. Okay. After entering these details, it is asking for the affiliate and all the other details which I do not want. So I'm going to skip the part, and then simply I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button right here. As I've done that, you can see right over here, we have received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Tag Mango account. So this is my Tag Mango account and the customers page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see over here a new student has been enrolled in my Tag Mango account. Let us tally the response. The name comes as test student. This is the phone number you can see. Email is teststudent55@pabblitudes.com. The Mango is Basics of PHP. You can see right over here with all the other details. And the status is active. As now the lead has been enrolled in my Tag Mango account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Tag Mango with Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether this workflow that we have created using Pabbly Connect is successfully created or not. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate another test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether that lead has been enrolled to the course that I've created in my Tag Mango account or not. Okay, so now for that we are going to generate another test lead. Now for generating another test lead, I'm going to open the lead ad system tool. This is the lead ad system tool. Using this tool, we are going to generate another test lead. It says you can create one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now to create another test lead, now to generate another test lead, we need to firstly delete the existing lead. For that, click on this delete lead button right here. As you're going to do that, it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, now let us generate another test lead. For the page over here, I'm going to select it as the page that I've created in the name of Genius Academy, Growth Genius Academy, and form as lead form. Now I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is the lead form. Let us fill in all the details of the test lead that we are generating. I filled in all the required details. First name as new, last name as lead, email as new lead 445@pabblitudes.com with a dummy mobile number. Street address as 12 Newtown, city as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh is the postal code, and country as India. After filling the details, I'm going to click on this continue button, arrow submit to do the test submission. As over here it says your test lead has been sent. Now I'm going to open my Tag Mango account. So this is my Tag Mango account customers page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I refresh the page, you can see over here new enrollment has been added in the name of new lead with the phone number, email as newlead445@pablitudes.com. Mango is basics of PHP. This is the course that I want to enroll the student in with the status over here as active. As now the student is successfully enrolled in my Tag Mango account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook Lead Ads and Tag Mango with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an online course creator and using Facebook Lead Ads, I promote my business, and using Tag Mango, I manage all the courses that I sell. Trigger, I've selected it as Facebook Lead Ads new lead instant, as whenever by the potential students a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ads, automatically the trigger over here is going to capture the response. For the action, I've selected as Tag Mango my create user, as now this lead is automatically going to be created as a user and enrolled in my Tag Mango account course that I've created. And using Pabbly Connect, I've built the connection between these two applications in this manner. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.